To the 8 foods to lose weight this summer webinar. I am so excited that you're here. My name is Laura, and I'm a health coach and owner of Awaken Hope and Wellness. I've struggled with weight most of my life. I've been on the diet roller coaster of losing weight, gaining weight. And I've tried every diet out there, but never really seen the results that I wanted, not for lack of trying. Being overweight, I struggled with energy, intense sugar cravings, mindless eating, feeling super insecure, especially during the summer. Can anyone say shorts and bathing suit season? I'd get out of breath while hiking, and I never felt good in my own skin. It wasn't until I started learning how to feed and fuel my body with whole, nutritious, dense foods and working on my mindset that things began to change, and I was able to lose almost 100 pounds. As a health coach, I help people just like you who've tried every diet and struggled to get results learn how to love your body, learn how to heal your relationship with your body and food, and find peace with your body so that you can feel confident, sexy, and strong. I empower you to learn new habits and go from living a so-so life to creating your best life. In today's webinar, you're going to learn the top reasons why we gain weight during the summer and not just the winter, the top foods to eat to lose weight, and some delicious recipe ideas that you can even try tonight. Before we go any further, I do want to add a disclaimer that this presentation is for information and educational purposes only. It is not meant to treat, diagnose, or do any of that. If you have questions specific to your health, please talk to your primary healthcare provider. So let's get into it and talk about some of the reasons why we tend to gain weight during the summer. Typically think about weight gain happening in the winter around the holidays, which, winter holidays, rich comfort foods, less movement, we're hibernating, we don't want to get out. But summer foods can do just as much damage. I want you to think of a pina colada. It can be a whopping 650 calories a pop, or your favorite cookie and donut, and you have it every single day. Even certain salads can be high in fat and calories. It's not necessarily the vegetables, but the extra toppings and high calorie dressings can add up. So, to stay in shape or even lose weight during the summer, I want you to follow 2 simple guidelines. The first is that there's always a healthier alternative or a healthier option for the type of food you want. So, instead of maybe having a cookie for dessert every single day, try some fresh fruit like watermelon or frozen grapes. Still have your cookie once in a while, but just in moderation. You can also recreate your favorite dish using lower calorie alternatives or substitutes. For a lighter version of a pina colada, try using crushed up ice, sugar-free syrup, Splenda or stevia, or fat-free ice cream, or even sugar-free ice cream. This will lighten up the calories, and if you don't use the rum, it's also kid-friendly. Second, it's not only what you choose to eat, but how you prepare it that can make a big difference. Try to eat foods that are grilled, roasted, steamed, baked, or even air fried. In the summer, it is important to remember that your body weight can go up by several pounds due to increased water in your body and your body holding on to fluid. So we have this fluid conserving hormone in our body called aldosterone. It allows our kidneys to retain more fluid and reduce the amount of salt in our sweat, and so it's a measure that causes water retention. So just something to be aware of. And now let's talk about some foods that you should eat during the summer to help with weight loss. First off is pineapple. This sweet tropical fruit is the perfect ingredient for your summer smoothies and juices. It contains the proteolytic enzyme bromelain, which helps in the digestion of protein and blood clot formation. Pineapple is also anti-inflammatory, and it's a superfood which can help reduce swelling and in turn promote a flatter belly. So for a delicious summer treat, try coring and slicing a pineapple into rings or chunks, melt some dark chocolate and dip part of the rings or chunks into the dark chocolate, pop them in the freezer. You can even add a little bit of sea salt if you want, and then enjoy. It's really good. Frozen pineapple dipped in dark chocolate, essentially. Another food that's amazing is mangoes. They're a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth and help ward off other cravings. Mangoes are high in fiber, magnesium, antioxidants, and iron, which makes them a really good snack for women who struggle with iron deficiency or anemia. Because mangoes aid in digestion, you do want to focus on eating the fruit versus drinking just the juice. Figs. So figs are high fiber and a potassium-rich fruit that make the perfect summer snack. So at around 170 calories for 8 ounces, you could eat them alone in salads, in cereals, or wrapped in prosciutto. Just don't grab a fig Newton. You'll get more nutrition and less fat from the actual fruit. food we're going to talk about is peaches. They're packed with important nutrients, including vitamin A and C, potassium, and iron. One medium peach only 38 calories, but it provides nearly 2 grams of fiber. So peaches can provide gentle laxative and diuretic properties, but they also have beta carotene in them, which keeps your skin fresh and bright. So a really good dessert idea, especially in the summer when you already have the grill going, cut a peach in half, remove the pit, and then pop both sides onto the barbecue to grill. Grilling brings out the sweetness of the peach and it causes it to slightly caramelize. So you can enjoy it as is, or try drizzling it with honey or topping with a dash of Greek yogurt and honey and granola. It's one of my favorite snacks to have, or even desserts to have in the summer. Watermelon is one of my favorite summertime foods. It is pound shedding. Watermelon has 92% water, so it fills you up. It's low in calories, but it still has a lot of nutrients and cancer-fighting antioxidants like vitamin C and lipocene. So a good idea is to try a refreshing watermelon mint salad. So you add cubed watermelon, chopped cucumber, diced red onion, chopped mint, and crumbled feta, and you can top it with a simple dressing such as olive oil and lime juice with a bit of salt and pepper, or even just try olive oil and balsamic vinegar. It's great to take to a barbecue. Really great food for summer are sweet potatoes. They're a great source of dietary fiber, which helps to reduce blood sugar and insulin spikes, ultimately reducing belly fat. So I suggest substituting a sweet potato for potato salad, potato chips, or mashed potatoes at barbecues to save hundreds of calories. You can try them roasted, you can try them sliced in the air fryer, you can bake them to make sweet potato fries. They are delicious, and there's so many things that you can do with them. And I also want to talk about tomatoes. Tomatoes are just not only basil's best friends, they're antioxidant packed powerhouses that can keep you trim too. They're the richest source of lipocene, which is a potent antioxidant that can reduce inflammation in the body and in turn control our leptin levels. And leptin is an appetite regulating hormone that can dial down cravings. Plus, they're low calorie. So, a medium tomato has about 22 calories, and they're loaded with vitamin C, which is an antioxidant linked to boosted fat burning, especially during exercise. If you can, opt for organic tomatoes. One study found that organic tomatoes have 55% more vitamin C in them. One of my favorite snack ideas for the summer is a caprese salad. So it's sliced tomatoes, a little bit of mozzarella, basil, and a splash of olive oil and balsamic vinegar. And it's one of my favorite things when I don't want to cook, but when I just want to have something really simple and it's really hot out. It's refreshing and delicious. Top it with a little bit of black pepper, and it's amazing. Another and final food to consider is shrimp. I know that some of you out there have shellfish allergies, so this may not be for you, but it's a great source of protein. 3 ounces of shrimp contain only 101 calories, 1 gram of fat, but they have 19 grams of protein in them, which protein will fill you up now, so you'll actually eat less later. Shrimp are a great source of selenium and energy boosting B vitamins. The thing to remember is just to skip the butter fried um, kinds of shrimp and rather go for sauteed, roasted, boiled, and grilled. For the cleanest and healthiest shrimp that are also kindest to the environment, if you can opt for US farmed shrimp, they can be hard to find, but they are the safest, or wild caught shrimp from Alaska and the Gulf Coast. So, my hope is that you've come away with a better understanding of how you can easily lose weight this summer, as well as some delicious recipe ideas that you can try tonight. So, if you are tired of yo yo dieting, low energy, and not getting anywhere in your weight loss journey, I really do encourage you to try my 7-day easy weight loss program, which will help you lose weight, get focused, and kind of get started on that right track. So, it is a self directed course that you can sign up for. And if you're interested, you can also sign up for the course with 2 additional private one-to-one coaching sessions with me where I can help you set goals, create healthy habits, and just create some accountability for you. So your program, whatever option you choose, comes with 7 days of suggested meals and snacks, a recipe guide, weight loss guide with step-by-step instructions, food diary, and weight loss tracker, as well as a bonus handout that have some of my favorite healthy snack ideas on the go, how to create a healthy lifestyle, and some of my favorite recipes that will help you kick your sugar addiction. So I really have believe in this program. It's recipes and tips and tricks and mindset change that I've used. So I really encourage you to give it a try. If you have any questions about this program, about this webinar, I encourage you to reach out to me. You can reach out to me via email. My email is laura@awakenhopeandwellness.ca. You can reach out to me on my website, www.awakenhopeandwellness.ca. Join me on Instagram, again, @awakenhopeandwellness.ca. I am here for you. I am here to help you. If you have questions from this webinar, if you want to learn more about coaching or other programs I have and what might be right for you, I also offer free discovery calls so we can have a conversation and figure out what works best for you. I am so excited for you. I hope this webinar has been helpful and that you can use these tips to help change your life.